Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and install a crisper in your Samsung refrigerator. Now it's a very easy thing to do and it does not require any special tools, but they can be a little bit finicky and we're going to show you the easiest way to do it. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. To remove and install your crispers in your Samsung fridge, it's very easy to do. Of course you need to have the doors open and you need to have your product removed from them. Now the crispers just slide in and out, it's pretty easy, but you'll find in order to actually remove them from the refrigerator, it gets a little tight in order to get it out because of the door and especially these bins. So if you have a bin down in this position that's near where your crispers are, you just need to lift that out and set it to one side. Now with the door open to its fullest, you're just going to roll your crisper out, and as it comes out close to the door, you're just going to lift it up a little bit and ease it out of its position and then bringing it into place. It's a snug fit, but it's very easy to do. To reinstall it, it's the same process. You're simply going to bring that crisper in at a bit of an angle, bring those wheels up on top of the track, slide it in, closes back into position. You can put your door bin back in place, close your doors, and it's just that easy to replace the crisper in your Samsung refrigerator.